Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your batteries on your Google Chromecast remote, guys. Okay, so on this remote here, make sure that you have the same remote, obviously. But on this remote here, just if you turn it around on the back, you'll see here that there is a little cover. It kind of blends in, which can confuse some people. So simply just put your thumb here, push down a little bit, and just simply slide that back like that, okay? This will expose two AAA batteries, guys, all right, as you can see here. So you're going to want to get your finger here and just pop that in there, or use something to pry it out, like a flat tip screwdriver. Okay, you're just going to pry that out, and you'll see here that, yeah, these are the two batteries here, guys, all right. So these ones here, the two positive terminals, they both face upwards, okay? So when you get your new batteries, make sure that you have triple A's, okay? I'm going to link some in the description for Amazon if you guys are interested in checking it out. And yeah, so when you get your new batteries, it's the same process. Just pop this back in here, pop that like that, pop that in. Positive goes up, see? This is positive, this is negative, okay? Positive goes up. You just click that back in like that, grab your cover, put your cover back on here like that, and you just slide this in and you'll hear it click. Just like that. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I hope this helps. And yeah, like the video if you don't mind, and yeah, peace out.